You see, Igede match and crown the queen of African culture. Guys, today I present to you Igbo Cultural Festival, first edition today, guys. When you talk of culture, we're here for the culture, for the love of culture. So if you're out there and you love everything that has to do with culture, we're here to give you everything in details. Today, I present to you the group here that are here to give us the cultural dance. Igbo Cultural Festival is a festival that is here to revive our culture, to bring our people together, to unite us together. That is why we bring Igbo Cultural Festival. It's a festival that comprises all the Enugu North Senatorial Zone, all the local government, bringing them together to showcase our rich culture to the world. Like when you hear Egungun Festival, Oshoshobo Festival, Calabar Festival, we're here to tell you that we have unique culture. We have so many unique cultures that the world need to know, the world need to see. Our rich food, our cultural dancing. We are known with Ikorodo dancing. We are here to bring it to the world. So Igbo here is here to present you our rich culture, which is coming up on December 29th, 2026. We are here for you. So if you know you love culture, come and join us on this great, wonderful event coming up on 29 December 2026. You're the type that everything about culture gives you joy. Let's come together and bring this culture to the world. Let the world see that we have unique culture. We have that unique culture that the world needs to know. Let's present it to the world. So today I'm here with Igede cultural group that are here today to dance, to show us that yes, this is our culture. To show the world that yes, this is what we are known with. So Igbo Cultural Festival 2026 first edition is here. So join us and let's put hands together to show the world how unique our culture is. Let's join hands together in reviving our cultural heritage. Let's bring it to the world because we have unique culture. We have unique food that when you taste it, you know that yes, this is coming from this part. So I see many of the arts and craft, the queen of African culture. When you talk about culture, I am here live to give you all in detail. So guys, let's see what they have today. We will be coming up with so many unique cultural dance, so many unique cultural activities. So many things will be happening live and direct on that day. We'll be having Igbangba, which will be having gifts for them. The winner will be going home with gifts. We'll be having drinking competition. You know, we're known with pan wine. We'll be having drinking competition. The winner will be going home with prizes. All the Ikorodo dancers all over will be coming together to showcase, because some of them, I find out that so many of them, they know how to dance, but because they're lacking instruments, materials, they cannot be able to dance. So in this cultural event, we'll be showcasing them. The best dancers will go home with prize, so that to enable them to equip themselves and show the world that Ikorodo is from us. So guys, let's go! As they play Organada. culture, man.